Hello everybody, welcome back to another one on our channel, NQ Lioness. Today I want to talk about revenge trading, okay? Stop revenge trading. Revenge trading is something that we all go through as traders in the beginning, and it is the worst thing that you can ever do for your psychology and for your account. The market is not out to get you. God doesn't hate you. It's not every time that you get into the market, it's going against you. In fact, if you're trying to buy and every time you buy, it sells, the next time before you buy, pause for a second and then see if it sells. If it sells, then that just means that most of the time you have the wrong read on the market, or you could be too early entering into that position. So whatever it is, sometimes you have to pause. That's where patience comes in. You need to be patient. Sometimes you have to wait for a move to happen, and markets are moving. Today is FOMC day. What day? September 18th, 2024, just to add that in there. But you have to be patient all the time. All right, before you're entering into these trades, you have to wait for confirmation. Again, if you notice that every time you get into the market is going against you, then that means that you are reading the market wrong. In fact, things like TradingView have an inverted feature to where if you thinking you want to buy, you can invert the curve and it'll flip the chart upside down, and it will help you in your technical analysis to see if what you're seeing is really a buy. Again, the market is not out to get you. You can't make the market do what you want it to do. The market is going to do what it wants to do. You need to learn how to respond to the market and not react to it, right? So if you see a green candle or a red candle, you don't need to just buy because you see a green candle, right? Reacting to it. You don't need to just sell because you see a red candle. You need to let the market tell you what it's doing and then respond to that, right? Align yourself with the market. Trading out of spite because you're upset or you want to get your money back. Trust me, we've all done it. I've done it. I've been there. That's why I'm able to speak on it. It doesn't do anything good for your account. It doesn't do anything good for you as a trader. Well, I take that back. I will say what it does good for you, if you're able to be honest with yourself, is it shows you that it doesn't work. But you'll have to go through that emotional trauma and through that emotional pain for so long. It depends on the person on how long it will take before you're able to say, I'm revenge trading, or I don't know why I took that trade. Why am I even in that trade? That little voice starts talking to yourself. Why am I in that trade? Why did I take it? And then you start realizing there was no reason for you to be in the trade. When that happens, that's where, like in the last video, that will help you with strategy, because then you'll start realizing, wait, I need to figure out a strategy. I need to stick to my strategy. Okay, so the market is not going to do what you want it to do. You don't have to be right all the time. You're not right. The market is right. You have to respond to the market. The market is not going to respond to you. It doesn't work like that. And losses are a part of this game. If you take a loss, it's okay. In fact, if it'll help you, cut the losses super early. Don't hold on to your losses longer because you're upset or because you want to get revenge against the market for taking your money. It's not going to happen the way you want it to where it'll turn out good. Sometimes if it does reverse and go in your favor, that could be a bad thing, because that can lead to unhealthy trading habits, and no one wants unhealthy trading habits. So stop revenge trading, all right? Stop thinking that the market is going to go in your favor because you want it to, and getting upset when it doesn't. It does nothing but hijack your emotions. It causes you to go on emotional tilt, and then you're just clicking the button for no reason, just because you want it to work, or whether you want to just self-sabotage and feel like you're in some kind of control, right? I'll just click the button. I don't care if I lose this money, because you need to feel like you're in some kind of control. It's the ego. We all deal with it. If you're at that point in your trading journey where you are revenge trading, stop. In fact, find a book that you may be able to read that can help you stay calm, that can help you with your psychology. When you wake up in the morning, take a jog. If you find you are starting to revenge trade, pay attention to what's going on. Pay attention to your thoughts. Pay attention to your breathing. Pay attention to your heart rate. I'm guaranteeing that all of those things change depending on the type of person you are. You may have started to feel the temperature in your body change. Some people's palms get sweaty. Your heart starts racing. Your legs start shaking as if you're nervous or something. these anxious things start to surface. Pay attention to those. If those things are happening, then just get up and walk away from the computer for a while. 5-10 minutes. It's not going to hurt you. The market is going to be there when you come back. But this book right here, I don't know if it's reversed or not, but the Zen Trader by Peter Castle is a great book. It will help you to remember to be mindful when you're trading and be mindful of the trade. I will link this book. You can find it on Amazon, but I'll put a link down in the description so it'll be easier for you to get to it. It is an affiliate link. It does help the channel to grow. But reading this book may help you. Hopefully it does. It did help me to remember to be conscious and aware of the decisions that I'm making and not getting to a trade just because my ego tells me to, or just because I want to be in a trade because I'm bored or because I want to see something happen, right? The only time you make money is when you're patient in the market. The market rewards patience. So don't rush anything. Learn to be mindful. Learn to be patient in your trading. Do not revenge trade. The market is not out to get you. We're all going to take losses. In the beginning, you're going to take way more losses than you will when you get further along in your career. Look at it as like a market tuition, just like a tuition if you go to school or something. So it's 9:06, so we got our messy charts here. As you can see, it's not messy. It has a few indicators on it. These are my levels, my zones that I trade from. This is the larger time frame. So what actually will happen is I'll sit here like this and just read pure price action, and then I have another chart over here that is a smaller time frame, and that is the chart that I use to execute on. So I'll get more into that when I get enough subscribers to go live. And I was thinking about starting to record my sessions live for now and then uploading them to see if you guys can get value from them. But this video is long-winded enough as it is. Thank you guys for watching again. I hope you find some value. And if you did, then you can consider, again, to subscribe to the channel so I know that you would like to see more from me. Give me your thoughts in the comment section if you would like any topics covered, and I will try my best to do so. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for your time, and happy trading.